So this is in furtherance to the organization structure where we have explained in the previous demo. The organization has branches, have document series, documents, and how the user management is done. Now, under this, we have basically under modules, submodules, we have forms, reports, actions, and all that. So we will try to cover a little faster look into that. So basically, when I open any form, basically this is the main menu. When I open, say for example, my sales, that means I went into the sales module. So in the sales module, there are sub modules, product setup. Suppose if I click product setup, I got three forms. This set is called form group or group of forms, which has more than one form inside that. So we have the module, the sub module, and the form. Suppose customers is there. So though it appears like customers there, but actually it is customers, discount master, price list, price lines, and services. So many other things are there. So now that we are in the customer form, when I edit or add, so you will see under a customer form, there are more number of fields. This is what I meant by in my demonstration. I said the form has, the submodule has many forms, and each form has action links, workflows, and of course fields also. Maybe I have forgotten to put it. So as I was explaining that the forms have fields, it has action links, it has workflows, it has print templates. Let us see them now. Now we are going to maybe the purchase module, okay, the indent, purchase indent. So each of these purchase indent has many fields which we have just seen it. It has lot of fields and they are arranged into some tabs. And each of these form have these links. These are called action links. When you click, they appear here. So each has a reason. Of course, in this case, it is appearing here. Maybe in some other case, it may appear down as a drop down. So of course, that is just a configuration. So here, I wanted to copy this purchase order. I wanted to track the approvals. Suppose I go to my, the posted document, and I pick up one of the purchase order. Okay. And I will say track the approval. Then it tells me who exactly has approved this or verified this and his photo, date, time, IP address, and all that. And what remarks he wrote, everything appears here. So this is the tracking of the particular thing. So we have seen the form has fields and it has links, different links. And these forms also have what is called templates. So this is a purchase order new, some form. How does it look like? It looks like this. Of course, these templates can be defined and changed based on the experience of the users. Say, for example, I'm taking the PO new. I will try to edit it using my design mode capabilities. Okay. So I went to the templates. So in this, there is a PO new is there. And this is the entire template which is visible to me. So that form is made with the help of this. So somewhere we saw it says entity name and address one and all that. Suppose here I just write I will say this is vendor name, just for example, and I'm saving this. Now I'm going to the place and trying to print that. Okay, so somewhere you would have seen the vendor name coming. Yes, here it has come, vendor name : Aditya Paints. So by simply altering the templates, So you will get a lot of other facilities. And of course, there are reports are there, and optionally, some of these can be mailed directly. I'm trying to mail to myself, okay, and I'm sending it. So this will come to my mailbox, this particular purchase order. So you can see the purchase order coming to my mailbox. Yeah, it has come. I can see the purchase order, and maybe I can also see the PDF layout of that. So these are context sensitive. What I meant, if I click here, you will be able to send this purchase order. If you click here, you are sending 1,76,000 purchase order. If you click here, you are going to send 1,73,000. Similarly, when you click here, copy means you are going to copy this into a new one. If you do the same thing here, it means you are going to copy this particular thing here. So this helps. That is why they are called context actions or simply actions. So we are revisiting our drawing what we have done. So we have seen all these things, and now let us see the workflow. This is the print templates, you have seen it, and we have to see the reports and the workflows. So let us just go to the purchase indent itself. Okay. So obviously purchase, and then purchase details, and then you have indent. Also, you can search it by typing indent here. So you will see that somewhere it is there under purchase module, indent mobile and indent. If I click here, I land up exactly here. So this is the order, PO is written. This is the goods return received. So wherever I am, I just simply type here GRN. So I will get the GRN. So if I click, I land up directly into that particular form. So in the indent, we are supposed to see the workflows. Okay. So every form can be configured by the user, by the administrator, not the user. Please note this word carefully, that it cannot be altered by a normal user. So here there is a workflow setup. So here you will see somewhere there is a workflow. So this is the purchase indent. There is already some workflows are defined. So the workflow name is about 2000. Okay. So if I take this, it tells me that this is the form, this is the escalations, and these are the stages. This is the condition. Now let's see this. So for about 2000 rupees of value or something like that, where we have said total value is so and so. Okay. You have workflow role one. First, it will go to purchase DGM. Then it will go to purchase manager. Then it goes somewhere. These are all, how it travels. Then you can give explanation, what he has to do at that stage and all that. Then we have escalations. Of course, this is a module by itself, but I'm just showing you how it works. So here, if you see the help document, in the help document, you will be able to see the workflow little more clearly, you know. So these are the workflows. So there is about 2000 purchase DGM. It goes here, and all that. Okay. So in another workflow, the route is different. That means if it is raw material above 5 lakhs, it has to go to Mr. A, B, C, D. If it is a capital goods more than 50 lakhs, it has to go to BQRS for approval. So that is what exactly mean by workflow. So that is just to give you an overview. Just how to define and all that we can see only at that stage. Now we are coming to the reports. So basically there are reports here, and each report belongs to the module. Suppose I go to the purchase. So purchase has so many reports. So if you see carefully, what we have said in the chart is that you know, suppose I just go to the chart, the under the modules we have reports. So precisely, so this drawing exactly demonstrates the reports. So now under this you have group report, customized report, some standard reports. Some you can just click it and get it. Okay. Some maybe you have to select the date range or status active or inactive. Okay. And some may be just a simple GST purchase. Okay. Here I'm only asking the dates and it is giving me the reports, right? And of course this report can be printed or taken into Excel and all that. And we have some dynamic reports, that is a big project by itself. We have some grouping reports, so you can take a grouping report here. So here you will see under chemicals, this list is coming, under electronics, under glass, under HKM. So these are generally the grouping reports. So here this is a branch wise report. So it shows under this branch what it is and all that. And at the end, you will notice printed at so and so. So the reason for doing this is, subsequently you take two reports of the same date and you try to compare and check there is some differences, and that puts you into some inconvenience. So I can just print this report and you get a PDF, straight PDF, just save it. Or maybe you can also download through Excel. Okay. So now we had a real overview of the entire application, the scope, everything. So just on the little further notes is, this is the main logo, this is the branches, this is the financial year, these are the fast landing. Suppose I click customer, I land into customers. If I click vendor, I land into vendor, and the purchase or whatever it is. Of course, I have a searching facility. Suppose I wanted to have my maybe accounts ledger, accounts master. So I click that and straight away I'll go, it will search where it is and it lands up there. On the left side, you have the main menu. Then you have the home landing page where some special uh, things can be kept for the user. And this is the dashboard, in which you will see a lot of dashboards. And this is setup, debug. Generally, this will not be there for a normal user. Okay, this is my activities. So here, your travel, your HR, your people working with you, my visitors, my delegations, so all that will be there in this. And then you have the basic reporting tool. Okay, then of course logout. So thank you very much. So this is the part 2 of the video.